Here is a sample introduction video of the value proposition, the first part to a two-part sequence or series. This is Sany to dealer, the other is dealer to customer. But there is a strong value proposition from Sany to the dealers, and it's worth pointing out. Again, it's a communication tool. People see what's coming, much more of an alignment with knowing what's coming up and when we start delivering, which again, we've got a lot of work to do, but overall the direction is very positive. The Sany value proposition summary is intended to communicate three parts. On the left-hand side, you'll notice Sany value. Again, simply stated, what is the monetary worth of the Sany product to a customer, and how do we define that? The second part is the Sany value proposition, which is a collection of the reasons why a buyer buys, in essence, whether they purchase and from whom, and this is the main repository of facts and evidence that supports the Sany statements. And then lastly, the value proposition positioning statement is a compelling, tangible statement of how a company or individual will benefit from buying the Sany product. The Sany value proposition, again, is broken into two parts. It's Sany to dealer and then dealer to customer. In this particular presentation, we're covering the first part, which is the Sany to dealer value proposition, and covering kind of where Sany is relative to promises that they've made to the dealers. We have applied for and been approved with limited limited anticipation of any problems getting this trademark, tough equipment for tough applications, and we are in the process of collecting statement headlines. Sany is the #1 selling excavator in the world for a reason. Coming to a dealer near you, for example, may actually be #2, which is another angle going forward. We have an opportunity to list the accomplishments of the past 12 months. There's been significant movement in a lot of key areas that affect the dealers and Sany's desire to be easy to do business with. We can list accomplishments in the next 12 months. I think at every opportunity, we want to encourage dealer input. The dealers that I've spoken to are encouraged by this approach, but again, if they see something that's out of alignment with their belief system, they want the opportunity to come tell us. And then lastly, and not quite as defined as it needs to be, is trusting Sany to deliver. There is a trust barrier that's come up over the years, and this is our opportunity to reinforce that yes, you can actually trust Sany. Not unlike the dealer to customer value proposition statement, this is a collection of customer testimonials that Sany is working hard at providing to their dealers. Case studies, again, some present, most not, most of them in foreign languages. We are collecting case studies that support the Sany product working in extremely harsh environments with poor maintenance practices. Product support videos, there's demonstration videos, there's product review information. A lot of it is dated, probably needs a redo on a lot of levels, but we are collecting a number of videos that do support the product. This is the big blank spot on the map. I know that there are a list of things that the aftermarket department has built and are building, and this would be an opportunity to show that. It's an opportunity to show the dealers that we are focusing on dealer-driven marketing, introducing the product, or offering a low payment, simple lease. Conceptually here, this is called the 333 program. Creative co-op programs, dealer profiles, which is in the marketing budget. At every opportunity, Sany should control the online lead generation capacity for dealers in their respective regions for search terms. So to do that, I've proposed a network of dealer sites that have a home page and then 6 pages each with products synchronized with the website and the Find the Dealer feature. So product pages and dealer profile pages. this will lead to advanced lead generation as soon as the website's launched. The question is, do we send it to Salesforce for automated email, or do we install a temporary solution if we're not quite ready? But in any event, there will be a lot of leads that will be visible to all the sales managers. Improved online and offline support. We will build a really, really great new website with approval, and we will brand it Tough Equipment for Tough Applications. We are in the process on the right-hand side of redeveloping a completely new set of brochures. We're halfway through the excavator group sales brochure. We are awaiting Sany corporate on images of things like engines and transmissions and some componentry to each machine. We have not started these particular products, but these were at the top of the dealer list, and we plan to build them. Pocket specification guides, so they have quick references in the field, and then a line card, which simply describes all the different Sany product offerings, so the salesmen aren't struggling with what Sany offers. And then creative financing programs. We've come up with more aggressive rates. We've come up with aggressive direct marketing programs promoting the Sany product to end users that have expiring leases. And that's about it. I think that's just kind of a quick overview of what I think the value proposition so far from Sany to the dealers is. And I think with limited investment and effort, we can get all this stuff going. So thanks very much for your time.